In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up a GitHub profile. A complete profile is useful for showcasing your projects, skills, and experience to other developers and potential employers. First, open your web browser and go to github.com. Then sign in to your account. Once you are logged in, click your profile picture in the upper right corner and select Profile. On your profile page, click the Edit Profile option. You can now upload a profile picture by selecting Upload a photo, choosing an image from your computer, and clicking Open. Next, add your name and write a short bio describing yourself, your skills, or what you're working on. You can also add your website or portfolio, URL, company, and location if you'd like to include them on your profile. Once you've entered the information you want to share, click Update Profile to save your changes. Your GitHub profile is now set up and ready to showcase your work. That's how to set up a GitHub profile. Thanks for watching.